Today, with the students here at Veterans Memorial, we actually participated in the Stop the Bleed program. This is actually a national program that's taught all over the United States. And so what it does is it prepares the community on what to do if they were ever in a situation where someone was bleeding or injured. So we talk about how to apply tourniquets correctly, how to pack wounds and apply pressure appropriately, and also about communication if they were ever in that emergent situation.
It is really important, especially because the students that we have here in this class are the students that are interested in the medical field. So this is basically maybe like a foot in the door. So it gives them a little bit of exposure of how it is in the medical field. So yes, it's very important because you just never know. In an accident, anywhere they go, they're teenagers, you know, spring breaks around the corner. So yes, something does happen, then they will be able to help that other patient. This training does give them a certification, so they will be certified, and once they finish the course and complete the course, they will be certified in Stop the Bleed. And this is a certification that they can, yes, of course, put in their resume when they apply to colleges or universities. This is something that can also help them, like if they want to start off having maybe like a part-time job while they go to college. So all these certifications that the campuses and the district is offering is very, very good for them, because they will not only, like for example, here for the class, they're going to be CPR certified. They're going to have a certification for Stop the Bleed. They're going to be having, God willing, they pass their exam, but they're going to be having the certification for certified phlebotomy technician. So yes, that's 3 certifications that they're going to be graduating with.
I want to go in the medical field when I graduate, starting college, and that it actually has like a big part of me that I already have like the CPR certification, and now I have the Stop the Bleed certification. So if I'm ever in a scenario where I have to help someone, I know that I can do it, and I have experience on it. I think everyone should know, even the teachers should get the certification just in case if anything happens, like they have that and they can help anyone that has a wound or something like that in case of an emergency.
I'm hoping that they walk away that they're empowered, that doesn't matter how old you are, where you are, what your situation is, you have the power to save someone's life, and that's really what this program is about. If you can stop a bleed, which is the #1 cause of death after a traumatic injury, you can save a life. And so I hope that they walk away feeling empowered, knowing that potentially they can save someone's life in the future.